Hello dears, in this session we will solve question 1 in which alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is standard form of a quadratic equation, and we are required to find the values of alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha and values of alpha minus beta whole square. So let's consider part first. We know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots, which is alpha beta, is equal to c by a. Now consider the given alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. We will take alpha beta common from the terms. So here we are left with alpha square, and here we are left with beta square. Alpha beta, and this can be written as alpha square plus beta square, and for completing the square we will add 2 alpha beta and we will subtract 2 alpha beta. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to alpha beta alpha plus beta whole square, and we have minus 2 alpha beta, because a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b, this is 2ab, which is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. Now we know the values of alpha beta, which is c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So we will insert values of alpha beta and alpha plus beta. So alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha is equal to, for alpha beta we will insert c by a. For alpha plus beta we will insert minus b by a whole square and plus minus 2. For alpha beta we will insert c by a. Now we have c by a. Minus b whole square is b square. A square minus 2c by a. Now we will take a square is LCM. So we have c by a, and we will take a square is LCM. So we have b square, because a square divided by a square is 1. 1 multiplied with b square is b square, minus a square divided by a is a, multiplied with 2c is 2ac. Now multiply numerator with numerator. So we have c b square minus 2ac, and a multiplied with a square is a cube. So the value of alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha is equal to c into b square minus 2ac divided by a cube. Now similarly, this alpha minus beta whole square can be written as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, because a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We are expanding it because alpha minus beta has no value. We have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we will expand it and then we will complete square for alpha plus beta, and for that we will have to add 2 alpha beta and subtract 2 alpha beta, and this 2 alpha beta is originally from the, what we have done, we have added and subtract 2 alpha beta. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square, and minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is equal to minus 4 alpha beta, because a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Sorry, this is alpha and this is beta. Now we have the value for alpha plus beta. We will insert values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha minus beta whole square is equal to, for alpha plus beta we will insert minus b by a whole square minus 4, and for alpha beta we will insert c by a. So minus b whole square is b square, a square minus 4c divided by a. Now a square is LCM. A square divided by a square is 1. 1 multiplied with b square is b square, minus a square divided by a is a multiplied with minus 4c is minus 4ac. So alpha minus beta whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac divided by a square. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.